Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to learn the duct gauge as per SMACNA. So let me open this sheet. So you can see this is the standard sizes of the gauge and its thickness is given as per the SMACNA. SMACNA is nothing but the Sheet Metal Air Conditioning Contractors and National Association. Okay. So before I start this video, I would like to request you guys, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Whenever I upload the video, you will get the notification in your mobile or laptop, whatever it is. Okay, so please subscribe and like and share as well. So you can see this is the duct size. Okay, so this is the duct size and this is the standard gauge, and this is showing the thickness of the sheet. Okay, so SMACNA is nothing but the Sheet Metal Air Conditioning Contractors and National Association. This SMACNA is deals about the sheet metal. Okay, in air conditioning. So for example, your duct size is 0 mm to 750 mm. The gauge will be 24 gauge. Okay, below this 750 mm gauge will be 24 gauge, and the thickness of the sheet is 0.63 mm. Okay, and once the duct size is increasing above 750, so that means 750 mm to 1500 mm, the gauge will be 22 gauge, and the thickness is decreasing 0.8 mm. Okay, and now if your duct size is 1500 mm and 1500 to 2250 mm, the gauge will be 20 gauge and thickness is 1 mm. And above 2250, the gauge will be 18 gauge and thickness is 1.25 mm. That means once the gauge is increasing, thickness is decreasing. Okay, so that means the thickness is inversely proportional to the gauge. Okay, for example, I will show you. Let me open this I will show you with example. For example, this is the duct. Okay, let me draw one duct. Okay, for example, this is the duct. Okay, and we are talking about the width. Okay, width of the duct. So for example, this is the width. Okay, so from here to here, the width of the duct is 650. Okay, 650 mm, and height whatever it is. Okay, so we are only dealing about width of the duct. So for example, this duct width is 650. So the gauge of the this duct will be 24 gauge. Okay, and the thickness will be, as per this SMACNA standard sheet, the gauge of the duct will be 24 gauge and the thickness will be 0.63 mm. Okay, 0.63 mm. Similarly, if the duct size is increased, for example, I am going to take another duct. So this is the duct, okay, and this is the supply duct. Okay, for example, this duct size is 800. For example, 800 mm. Okay, width of the duct is 800 mm. Then what will be the gauge? So gauge of this duct will be 22 gauge. Okay, and thickness will be from this sheet. Check here, 750 to 1500 mm. The standard gauge will be 22 gauge and thickness will be 0.8 mm. So here your duct size is 800 mm. So gauge will be 22 gauge and thickness will be 0.8 mm. Okay. Okay. So I think you guys learn how to select the gauge of the seat. Okay. That means the gauge is inversely proportional to thickness. Okay. It means once the thickness increasing, gauge decreasing. Okay. Once the thickness increase from this sheet, see, once the thickness increase, gauge decrease. That means this gauge is inversely proportional to thickness. Inversely proportional to thickness. Okay. That means once the gauge thickness increase, gauge decrease. Once the gauge decrease, thickness increase. Okay. Similarly, let us take another example. Let us draw one more duct here. Okay. And this size of the duct is, for example, this is supply duct. Okay. And the size, for example, this 1800 mm, for example. Okay, 1800 mm. Width of the duct is 1800 mm. Then you have to find the gauge. Okay. So gauge of this duct is from the SMACNA table. This falls under 1500 to 2250. So gauge will be 20 mm. Okay. And thickness of the duct will be 1 mm. So thickness will be 1 mm. Okay. Let us take another example. Let me draw one duct here. For example, as per the site, sometimes we are ordering the duct. Okay. Sometimes we are ordering the duct. Okay. This is the duct, for example. We order the duct, and sometime at the side we are constructing some small pieces. For example, there is one branch here. Okay, there is one branch. Okay, this is the branch. Okay, so here is entering through this side, and it will go to this way and this way. Okay, so this is called shoe neck. This is called shoe neck. Okay, so for example, we order this duct, main duct, and this is called main duct. Okay, main duct. For example, this main duct we order, and this small shoe neck we need to fabricate at side. So we have to check the thickness, width of this shoe neck. Okay, for example, this width is 400 mm. Then what will be the thickness and gauge of this duct? Okay, so just check this table. 400 is falls under this point 0 to 750 mm. So the gauge will be 24 gauge and thickness will be 0.63. So you have to select the gauge 24 gauge duct. Okay, and thickness is 0.63. 0.63. Okay, so similarly, let us take another example. So for example, this is your duct. Okay, this is your supply duct. Okay, this is your supply duct, and the size of this duct is 2600. Okay, mm. Then you have to select the gauge and thickness. So go to this table. Simply check that check this 2600 is falls under which category. So this is above 2250. The gauge will be 18 gauge and thickness will be 1.25. So you can write here 18 gauge and thickness will be 1.25 mm. 1.25 mm. Okay, so I think you guys learn how to select the gauge and thickness of the duct as per SMACNA standard. So if you learn something from this video, please like, share and comment my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well, so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.